Hey there, Will here with the Google Pixel Watch 3 unboxing. And I thought it'd be interesting to compare it to the original Google Pixel Watch. I have been using, this is the first generation Pixel Watch since it came out, basically. And it's a very different unboxing experience. As you can see, this is the original box, and it comes in a kind of horizontal packaging. The watch came like this. And now this is a very different boxing kind of thing. So I figure we'll open this. I have received this for review, but also because I'll be using it. I'm very excited about it. And again, like you can see that this comes very differently from the original. Ooh, it slides open like so. And that looks like I got the porcelain version. And it's going to be in here, isn't it? Ooh. So it's still kind of horizontal. So a lot to... Ooh. I say ooh, but it looks a lot like the original one. I'd be hard-pressed to discern the differences between the two. It's very nice. I'm a big fan of the watch style, shape, design. Obviously, a lot more sensors and everything. But like I said, I got the. I think the only difference I'm going to be able to discern is going to be in the strap here, because it looks like the porcelain is pretty much stainless steel. So I'm going to put this on. I'm going to set it up, and I will let you know what I think. Stay tuned.